Welcome to another video. Sa video na ito, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang aming flight from Dubai to Tel Aviv. Pagdating pa lang sa airport, pumunta muna kami sa tax refund. After that, katabi lang niya ang first class and business class check-in counters ng Emirates. Before ka mag-check-in, meron ng mga series of questions regarding security from border control. After that, proceed ka na sa check-in. Wala rin gaanong tanong sa immigration since wala namang visa required for Filipino citizens papuntang Tel Aviv. Nagpunta kami sa business class lounge ng Emirates para dun mag-antay for our flight. At ano pa nga ba ang gagawin natin sa business class lounge kundi kumain at magpahinga? Emirates Business Class Lounge offers a variety of food choices from Middle Eastern to Western food. Meron ding dessert area at meron ding Asian section. Unlimited ang pagkain dito so pwede kang bumalik-balik hanggat gusto mo. For us, ang pinaka-favorite namin is the dessert section. This is the Asian section ng Emirates Business Class Lounge. Makita mo, marami ding pagkain dito. Marami na ngang pagkain dun sa Middle Eastern and Western section. Marami ding choices dito sa Asian section. Marami kang pwedeng upuan dito sa Emirates Business Class Lounge kasi sobrang laki niya. Kung hindi naman food ang hanap mo, meron din silang mga business areas and quiet areas for sleeping. Meron din silang mga prayer rooms dito and shower rooms. What's unique about the Emirates Business Class Lounge is the champagne bar for Moët and Chandon.
আমার নামটা চেঞ্জ করে দিই।
Ito yung sinasabi ni Nel.
Spicy?
Yes.
Wild ginger.
Soya ginger.
Stickman po kasi vegetable. Maraming makain.
Spinach. Okay. Fish chicken.
Yes.
Okay.
Salad.
Since we have about 3 hours before our next flight, dito muna kami tumambay, kumain, nagpahinga, at nagmuni-muni. Meron din silang area for sleeping. Tingnan mo si ate, matutulog na. Good night, ate! After a few hours, we started boarding our flight to Tel Aviv. Welcome aboard Emirates flight EK931 from Dubai to Tel Aviv. This is a very short flight. This is only 2 hours 44 minutes. Mabilis din na puno yung plane kasi onti lang yung mga pasahero. And it's takeoff! Goodbye Dubai! We had great memories in Dubai. Sana makabalik ulit kami dito. Since 2.5 hours lang naman yung flight, we decided just to watch a movie and relax. Pero meron din silang pagkain na isi-serve mamaya, papakita namin sa inyo. Emirates is known for their in-flight entertainment called ICE. ICE stands for Information, Connectivity, and Entertainment. This is their award-winning personal in-flight entertainment system. Meron din silang free Wi-Fi on board and free in-app messaging services for Viber, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and WeChat. For starters, we ordered drinks. We ordered a cucumber gimlet. And maya-maya lang, dumating na ang ating lunch. For me, I ordered the grilled salmon and hummus. Ang sarap-sarap nung grilled salmon nila guys. And nakita nyo ba yung gold flake dun sa dessert? Wow, may gold pati sa dessert. And my sister ordered the pasta and the chicken. For mommy naman, we ordered a special seafood meal. After eating, you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Napaka-smooth ng flight namin, walang turbulence. Sila mommy at daddy nakatulog na ata, pero since saglit na ang flight namin, kami ng sister ko, nanood lang kami ng movies. Ilang years in the making din tong vacation namin to Israel. Grabe yung pag-iipon namin dito kasi alam namin na sobrang dami namin gustong puntahan pagdating namin sa Holy Land. Not to mention, dalaga pa si Mommy, pinangarap na talaga niyang magpunta dito. So let's check a box from her bucket list. Maya-maya lang, matatanaw mo na ang Tel Aviv. Hello, Israel! Pagkalabas mo ng airplane, you'd have to go through border control services. Mas madali kapag biometric na yung passport mo. Pipila ka lang dun sa mga machine nila, you'll have to have your passport and retina scanned. After that, maglalabas yun ng isang blue card. Wag na wag mong iwawala yung blue card na yon kasi yun yung magsisilbing border control pass mo dito sa Israel. Here in Israel, wala nang tatak-tatak ang mga passports. After that, pipila ka na sa actual immigration counter. After collecting our bags, pumunta lang kami sa money changer and we met up with our airport transfer papuntang Jerusalem. The travel from airport to Jerusalem takes about 1 hour. Puro highway naman ang dadaanan mo and walang traffic, so mabilis lang siya. Meron ding 1 hour time difference between Dubai and Tel Aviv kasi may daylight savings time dito sa Tel Aviv.
Nandito na kami, sumakay kami ng shuttle bus. Papunta na kondo na titirahan namin. Diba dito, maliwanag pa kung diyan 2 o'clock, dito ay 6 o'clock pa ng hapon. 2 o'clock sa inyo ng madaling araw, 6 o'clock dito ng gabi. Time difference. Magkaiba na naman adjustment, another time adjustment kami from Dubai to Israel. Okay, mamaya na lang ulit.
Mga around 7 p.m. nakarating na kami sa accommodation namin. We arrived on a Saturday night which means it's still Shabbat. So kakain muna kami and magpapahinga. We'll see you again on our next video pag-ikot namin ng Holy Land. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nanood ng video. Please like and subscribe and see you on our next video. Bye-bye!